Dear students, today we are going to learn present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. That means the action started in the past and result is in present. Look at the picture. The act of breaking the glass has already been happened. You did not see the act of breaking the glass because the action started in the past. What can you see? Yes, you can see the result. That is in present. He has drawn a picture. He has drawn the picture. The act of drawing picture has been done. You just see the result. You just see the result. The boy has got a letter. The act of receiving letter has been done. We just see the result, which is in present. The definition, look at. Present perfect tense is used when the action has been done. Action has been done, but its result last. That means we can see the result. Look at the structure. Subject plus auxiliary verb have or has and past participle form of principal verb plus extension. Look at here, that is past participle form. What is? Look at, there are three forms of verb, that is present, past and past participle. Look at the verb read, present form, and the past form read and past participle form read. Look at verb go, past form went, and gone, past participle form. So in present perfect tense we need the past participle form of the verb, that is the third form of the verb. Okay, an extension বাকি অংশ. So বাংলা বাক্য দেখে আমরা কিভাবে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স চিনতে পারবো? দেখো, যদি বাংলা ক্রিয়া শেষে ইয়াছি বা আছি, ইয়াছে বা আছে, ইয়াছো বা আছো, ইয়াছেন বা আছেন থাকে, তাহলে বুঝতে পারবো এটি প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে হবে। লুক এট এক্সাম্পল, I have read the book. Structure first look. I, subject, auxiliary verb have, read past participle form of the principal verb and the book extension. আমি বইটি পড়িয়াছি, বাংলা ক্রিয়া শেষে আছি, পড়িয়াছি, ইয়াছি, ইয়াছি. He has gone to school. He, look at structure, subject, has auxiliary verb, gone past participle form of principal verb, to school extension. সে স্কুলে গিয়াছে, বাংলা ক্রিয়া শেষে ইয়াছে, that is ইয়াছে বা আছে. You have done the homework. You, subject, have auxiliary verb, done past participle form of principal verb, then the homework extension. তুমি বাড়ির কাজ করিয়াছো, বাংলা ক্রিয়া শেষে ইয়াছো. He has drawn the picture. He, subject, has auxiliary verb, drawn, that is past participle form of principal verb, the picture extension. তিনি ছবিটি আঁকিয়াছেন, ইয়াছেন, বাংলা ক্রিয়া শেষে ইয়াছেন. Here most important to remember that if the subject I, we, you, they are plural, the verb will be have. If the subject he, she, it or singular, verb will be has. That is, if the third person singular number, verb will be has. Different forms of present perfect tense. We have read already affirmative. So look at again. I have read the book. আমি বইটি পড়িয়াছি. You have done the work. তুমি কাজটি করেছো বা করিয়াছো. He has gone to school. সে স্কুলে গিয়েছে বা গিয়াছে. Look at structure again. Subject, auxiliary verb have or has plus past participle form of principal verb plus extension. Student, most important thing, you have to memorize the structure. All the structure, that is structure of present indefinite tense, structure of present continuous tense and structure of present perfect tense. Structure is most important. If you know the structure properly, you can find out the sentence very easily. Look at negative form of present perfect tense. Actually, we do not read the Bengali sentence properly. So, we face problem in tense, in finding out the tense. So, you must read the Bengali sentences properly. Okay, look at negative form. বাংলা ক্রিয়া শেষে করিনি, করি নাই, খাইনি, খাইনি, তাহলে বুঝতে পারবো এই বাক্যটি প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে হবে। Look at I have not read the book. Negative form of present perfect tense is very easy because after the auxiliary verb you just put not. After the auxiliary verb you just put the not. Look at I have not read the book. I subject have auxiliary verb and you just put a not. And read, that is past participle form of principal verb, then the book extension. So আমি বইটি পড়িনি. He has not gone to school. So I just put not after the auxiliary verb, nothing else. Look at বাংলা বাক্য, সে স্কুলে যায়নি. You have not done the work. Just put not after the auxiliary verb. তুমি বাড়ির কাজ করনি. They have not played in the field. I just put not after the auxiliary verb have. তাহারা মাঠে খেলাধুলা করে নাই. So বাংলা ক্রিয়ার শেষে করিনি, করি নাই, খাইনি বা খাইনি এরকম আমরা দেখতে পাবো। Look at the structure, subject, auxiliary verb have or has plus just put not, nothing else. And past participle form of principal verb, then extension. Interrogative form of present perfect tense. Interrogative is also very easy. Look at have I read the book? Just put have before the subject. Just put the auxiliary verb have before the subject. That is have I read the book? আমি কি বইটি পড়িয়াছি? Has he gone to school? সে কি স্কুলে গিয়াছে? Have you done the homework? তুমি কি বাড়ির কাজ করিয়াছো? So, auxiliary verb have or has before the subject. Then plus subject plus past participle form of principal verb, then extension, then interrogative sign. That means you have to just put the auxiliary verb have or has before the subject and give an interrogative sign after the subject, nothing else. Thank you very much today up to this.